make it, and try to fill it in between whenever you are getting time. That is what exactly. Hello everyone, very good morning all of you. Good morning, Pravina, Jaspreet, Devraj, Priya, Prerna. Welcome to the class for December, target December 2025. So let's start with DS ALGO, which is most important subjects and where you have to learn in detail. So let's start with that. Here you will learn everything in detail. Okay. So please be ready with your pen and paper, because without pen and paper your learning will be not complete. Here, always, whenever you are coming to the class, your pen and paper is required and your mind is required. With full 100% focus, do your class. Focus, attention is very, very important. As I told you, that please don't try to do multitasking, like I am doing this also, I am doing that also. I am listening to the class, I am doing any other work. There is no meaning to do like that. Rather than that, completely 100% focus on one task at a time, then your productivity will be more. Whenever you are doing what, then focus on that only. That is a thumb rule. From today onwards, practice it. Not only for learning, at the time of eating, at the time of cooking, at the time of talking, at the time of watching TV, at the time of scrolling YouTube, at the time of scrolling Facebook, whatever you are doing, at a time, only one task. Actually, we are trying to be very smart by doing the multitasking work at a time, but in this way, our retention, our productivity is going down actually. Actually, it's going down, and you are not able to utilize time also properly. Whenever you are not fully concentrate in any single work, then the work is messy and you are not able to complete any work properly. So that's why from today onwards, make a habit, because we are human being. If we are trying to concentrate only at the time of study, but in whole day 24 hours you are not concentrating in any other work, then your brain will be not trained. So as a human being, if you are training yourself every day for each and every work, if I am cleaning my house also, then also concentrating on cleaning. If you are dusting, then also concentrate on dusting. Whatever work you are doing at a time, single work, and fully concentrate, and try to do as quickly as possible with time bound. Prepare a time that yes, within 10 minutes I will do this. So fully concentrate, complete it. Within 15 minutes I will do that. Okay, fully concentrate and do that. You and your kids, if your kids are there in home, then also your kids also try to make this habit, that yes, at a time single work, and do it with full of concentration. You will see you will get lots of time. Otherwise you will not get enough time. And definitely try to make a time slice for each and every day, what you are doing actually. Today morning you started, at the end of the day or now only, make a time slice 5 to 6 after the class only. Whenever you are getting time, make a time slice, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour time slice. Like 5 to, now it's 5 a.m, maybe you will go to sleep at 10 p.m. So 5 to 10 p.m, every 1 hour time slice, make it, and try to fill it in between whenever you are getting time. That is what exactly you did in that time. In that way, if you are doing, you will see that so many time slice, actually you will see you are wasting the time. So then when you will be able to find out that yes, these are the time actually I am wasting, then you will be able to understand, okay, these are the time without wasting, I can utilize this time. So this is the way you will be able to find out more time, 24 hours, how to utilize. Everyone have 24 hours. You have also 24 hours. I have also. Your friends have also. Now in this 24 hours, who will use it properly, they will be the winner. So learn the habit how to make 24 hours more useful, how to use this 24 hours properly so that I can achieve the success. All the successful person are utilizing their 24 hours properly, and that's why they are successful. So if you want to be successful, then utilize your 24 hours properly. You will get your study time also, you will get your working time also, you will get your family time also, and you will get your time for self time is also required, that is also you will get. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's start. Be ready, let's start it, and remember these things which is most important for you. Chalo. I hope you all are ready with pen and paper. Yes, let me know. Ready? Okay, good. What are the name I did not call? Let me call those name. Um, Pravina, Jashpreet, Devraj, Priya, Prema, uh, Sirapu Babu Rao, Arpita, Rajeshwari, Pooja, Rajita, Abhirami, Prathiva, Ranjini, Vijayalakshmi, Manjula, Latha, Sagolesam, Saru, Sarjawala, Surjawala, sorry, Sneha, then Priya, Rajkumar, Ranjini Reddy, Sanjay, Devraj, Arpita, Abhirami, this all the names I, Pooja, Nitya, Vijayalakshmi, Aruna, Binasri. Okay, chalo. See here, first of all, whenever we are learning the data structure and algorithm, these two things are there. What is data structure? What is algorithm? That is the first thing you need to understand. What is data structure? What is algorithm, right? So, data structure is the name and name of the location that can be used to store or organize the data, like the cupboard, wardrobe. We are using the wardrobe, right? So in wardrobe, where the name, you are giving the name, like this is the wardrobe, so the name is wardrobe. So here I am going to store my data, so the location is called data structure, right? This is the location. And algorithm is what? Algorithm is the collection of steps to solve a particular problem. Now, there are different types of storage we are using in home, right? We are using sometimes wardrobe, sometimes rack, bookshelf, or like utensil. For the utensils, we are using different types of shelf. So there are different types of storage we are using in our home also, as per our requirement. Sometimes we are putting like this, sometimes we are putting like that. So in different way we are utilizing, we are storing our household goods in our home, and for that we are using different storage. So here also, whenever you are arranging the data, for the data also we need different types of storage according to our requirement, so that we can place the data and it will be easy to access. As per our requirement, we can access it. That's why these are the different types of storage that is called data structure. First one is array. Next one stack, queue, linked list, hash table, heap data structure, graph and tree. These are the all data structure. But you have to learn. And here these all data structure is very important, from where you are getting always question. We need to learn each and every data structure in detail. Okay, this is here. First of all, you need to understand what is there in syllabus, so how to complete and what is there. So these are the all things what is there in syllabus. Now next, whenever you are coming to the tree data structure, because in detail questions are coming from tree data structure. So in tree data structure, you can see here that tree data structure is there. Tree traversal is there. Means you need to learn different types of tree data structure. Then tree traversal, which is most important, from where you are getting multiple questions. The tree chapter is a 5-star chapter where you are getting multiple question. Binary tree, full binary tree, and here you need to understand the difference between different types of tree. There are different types of tree, as you can see: binary tree, full binary tree, perfect binary tree, complete binary tree, balanced binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, B tree, B plus tree, red black tree. This all means red black tree is coming under the balanced tree only, balanced binary tree only. ABL tree is also coming under balanced binary tree. These are the two trees you can see, that it is ABL tree and another is a red black tree. So these both are coming under this red black and ABL. And other than that, B tree, B plus tree coming for indexing purpose. And here these are the normal trees we need to learn. This is there in syllabus. Now here, whenever other graph based, now graph theory is the subject which is related in two area. Here in data structure algorithm also you need to learn the graph theory, and in discrete math also graph is there. So I will suggest you don't separate as unit wise. Okay, unit wise, if you think that it is in which unit, it is in what unit, some topics are there which is mixed in both unit. So that's why graph we need to learn, and graph is there in data structure also, graph is in your discrete math part also. So ultimately we will learn graph together, so that these all things will be done. So in the under the graph, main thing is there, that is graph data structure, spanning tree, strongly connected component, adjacency matrix, adjacency list. Other than that, some topics are which is related to completely graph. This is related to with data structure. DFS algorithm, DFS and BFS is also there. Breadth first search and depth first search. Here it is breadth first search. You can see. And Bell-Manford algorithm. Bell-Manford algorithm is related with your path traversal algorithm. Bell-Manford algorithm, other than that, where you coming to the disaster algorithm, Floyd-Warshall algorithm. So under these three, you can Bellman-Ford, Dijkstra, and Floyd-Warshall, that we divide in another part. These three algorithms are coming under path traversal algorithm. Okay. Here, next thing under algorithm, whenever you are coming, the most important part is sorting and searching algorithm. Searching and sorting algorithm, we need to go in depth, in detail, each and every algorithm, most important. And these algorithms learning will help you to understand actually in depth of algorithm. Okay, just 1 minute, let me open the window. Yes. So here these all the shorting and shorting algorithm we need to learn in detail. Then here it is greedy algorithm. Actually, there are different types of algorithm, techniques of algorithm also we need to understand. Which one is called greedy, dynamic, backtracking. These are the different types, and from here maximum questions are coming. Mark a star mark. Different types of algorithm they are giving, like which one is greedy algorithm, which one is divide and conquer algorithm, which one is backtracking algorithm. So that's why I am giving this list like that. So greedy algorithm, here you can see mostly this algorithm is not that much important, but the name is important, so you can write down the name, but for learning purpose it is not that much important. Other than that, Dijkstra, Kruskal, Prims and Hoffman, these all are coming under greedy algorithm. Okay, one question, I'm taking your question, just coming, then after that I am taking your question. Dynamic algorithm, under that Floyd Warshall and longest common subsequence is most important. And other than that, we have to do the knapsack problem also. Knapsack problem is coming under greedy and dynamic both. Knapsack problem, whenever we are learning, knapsack, two versions are there. One is greedy version, another is dynamic version. Both versions are there for the knapsack problem. Okay, here uh, now tell me, these are the all your different types of algorithm. Now what question you have, tell me, Rajita. After that I will move to the next. Anyone who have any question, you can ask me. After that I will move to next. I'm fine, Jagan Mohan. What question, please tell me. No question. Rajita was telling one question, ma'am. Okay, no, ma'am. Which are the greedy algorithm came in exam? These are the greedy algorithm. These all are the greedy algorithm, which is very important. Dijkstra, Kruskal, Prince, Hoffman. These all are. These all are greedy algorithm, which is coming in exam. This is not that much important, but these all are coming. Okay. Yeah, we will learn that, and this is a common list. At the time of learning also you will see so many algorithm related, little bit extra algorithms whenever you will see. That's why at the time of preparing notes, whatever topic you are writing, like you write here greedy algorithm, right, leave some space here. This space is for future purpose. You will learn some more greedy algorithm technique, write down this, these are the again greedy algorithm. Some little bit space extra, 2 inch, four finger space leave here. And after one topic also, whenever this topic is like done, then you leave some 1 to 2 pages also, because this extra future page definitely you have to leave in your notebook, because as you are starting now, for future whenever you will learn the related topic, you should add those in your notebook, so that your notebook will be concrete, otherwise your notebook will be scattered. That's why leave some spaces. Okay, this is a way of preparing notebook also. Now, why we have to learn DSA? Why it is important? The importance is that optimized and scalable code, because these are the concept-based question also they are asking. Why actually this is algorithm and data structure required? Because you have to efficiently store everything. Like that, I moved to new flat, right? When I was there from 8 years, there was so many things. Now the thing is that we move here with packers and movers, they just dump it everywhere. So now the thing is that we have to organize it properly. Now if we are not able to organize properly, then daily life will be not easy. everything is dumped together in a room, then can you use it properly? It is not possible. So in your home also, actually you are using data structure algorithm. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are using data structure algorithm. Then just like in kitchen, whenever you are organizing your kitchen, you are putting all the regular items very closely, so that it will be directly you can access it, right? That is means you are trying to maintain order of one. Order of one means what? Here now you have to understand key why I am right putting it, and why the complexity is important. This is complexity. The complexity is what? Ki maybe in your kitchen there is this type of one shelf is there. Now you are putting all the bottles one by one, so that you can pick directly one item quickly, just beside your kitchen. So it is order of one. Directly you are able to take it, right? So means you are utilizing it properly. And some of the things, maybe it is a big things are there where you are keeping some bottles here, then these are the bottles, then these are the bottles. Now in this time, if you want to take out these bottles, first you have to take this one out, then you have to take this one out, then only you can take this one. This type of things you are putting behind. Why? Because it is not regular use. These are not for regular use purpose, that's why you are putting it behind. And this one, whenever you are trying to access in front of these all the bottles, you have to take it out, then only you can access this one. So it is what? It is actually order of n. This is actually order of n, because how many bottles are there behind, means in front of those bottles and those things, you are taking it out, then you are accessing, right? One by one you have to go, then only you can access it. So that's why it is order of n. Directly you cannot pick it out. So these are the things we are planning, right? Even also your plates, whenever you are putting, like if you are putting the plates one by one like this way, then what it is, this is actually. And books, whenever in the book shelf we are putting the books like this is one book, then this book, then this book, directly I cannot take this book out. First I have to take this one, then this one, then this one in the books. Rather than that, if I am making the books like this way, one by one in the book rack, so directly I can access. This is called organizer. Key is how I am organizing. If I am taking the book like this way, then it is order of one. But if I am making the stack like this way, then it is stack. Then it is stack. First I have to take the last book, first book, then I can take the last book, right? So this is actually your daily we are using this. Daily we are using data structure algorithm, but we are not thinking. So from today onwards, your target will be in your home. Each and every organizer, whatever you have organized, try to think it, that it is actually what? It is array, or it is stack, or it is linked list, or it is queue. Try to think it. You have to make a connection, right? Every day, whatever I am learning, not only learning, I have to make a connection with the daily life also, so that I can you remember. It will be easy to remember. Okay. And try to discuss, okay, these are the stacks, these are the queue, this is linked list, and this is this. Okay, try to find out some examples after learning also, and even also make organize like that. Okay, I have to access anything, so that the best complexity is what? Order of one, right? Order of one means directly you can access. So at the time of organizing your home, always try to think easily, quickly, how I can access, how I can make it order of one. This is optimization. If you are able to organize your home as per order of one, whenever I need to access, directly I can access, no need to put, like, I first remove some things, after that take it, then it is difficult, then it is time taking. Rather than that, if you are organizing everything so that quickly I can access it directly without dependency of any other one, that means order of one. So you need to think, yes, can I organize my home like this way, so that you will learn data structure algorithm and you will apply the data structure algorithm in your home also, in your bookshelf, in your kitchen, in your wardrobes, whenever you are organizing your clothes, every time. Try to think it, right? So, this is the effective use of time and memory. Time is a big factor in our life, so time we have to use properly. And memory means what? Space. Whatever space I have, that space how we are utilizing. That's why nowadays there are different types of space organizer. So properly, if you are using the space in a small space also, you can keep so many things. But if you are not organizing properly, then in a small space also, in a big space also, you will be not able to utilize properly, right? So having the knowledge about data structure and algorithm will help you to write the code run faster and require less storage. This is the main purpose. So I have to write a code which is run faster, which is taking less time. That is my time complexity, and it is taking less memory also. That means less storage also. Right? This is my purpose of data structure and algorithm. I hope it is very clear to everyone. There is no doubt you are able to relate each and every subject, try to relate with your daily life, then it will be very easy if you are relating with daily life. Or if you are not able to relate with daily life, means it's like boring. So don't make the subject boring, make it easy, simple. Okay? Yes. Now, a data structure storage that use the store and organize the data, as I already told you now. Now here we can see that this is also that just now I explained. You can go through the theory, no need to write, no need to I'm not going in theory line by line, it is for your learning purpose, this PDF. Now here you can see how data structure varies from the data type. Now the thing is that there are two terminologies you will see. One is data structure, another is data type. What is the difference? Many times we are thinking data type and data structure is same. Is it same actually? Data type and data structure not same. Data type and data structure is not same at all. Data type is a form of variable in which the value can be assigned. What are the data type we are using? Integer, float, long, double. These are the different types of data type we are using, right, at the time of writing program. So data structure algorithm we will not learn separately. With the data structure algorithm we will learn programming also. Okay, every day whatever data structure you will learn, with that data structure you will learn related programming also, so that the programming part will be also done. Okay, like that way we will make it so that connection of each and every subject will be there, and your syllabus understanding will be also more clear. So I am using integer, double, float, like these are the data types, means what type of data I am storing there, particular types of variable. So define the particular variable will assign the value of a given data type only. But data structure is a collection of different kind of data, different types of data. Entire data can be represented using the object and can be used through the program. That is the data structure, right? Now it can hold the value but not the data. It is holding the value only, and therefore it is the data less, means here what it is, like data type we are using integer a. Now you are putting a equals to 5. So what a is holding? A is holding actually the value only 5. and it can hold multiple types of data within a single object. In a single object, I am holding multiple types of data. It is also possible where we will see like in structure, union, multiple types of data we can put together, right? The implementation of data type is known as abstract implementation, and data structure implementation is known as concrete implementation. Nowadays, the theories are very important. They are asking theory, and you need to understand the difference between this also. That's why it is most important. Okay, there is a time complexity. In the case of data type, there is no complex time complexity, because actually data type means I am making a holder. Ki this is this type of data only it can hold. So here no need to think about time complexity. It is not the organizer. It is not a book organizer. It is not a shelf. It is not a wardrobe. It is just a type. Okay, this type of data I can assign here. But here at the time of data structure, complexity is most important role, right? So data type value, data is not stored, because here this is, and these are the other things, like these are the examples and here these are the examples. So this is the main difference between data type and data structure. Now here the classification of the data structure, different types of data structures are here. As you can see that these are the different types of data structure. From here also you are getting question. Each and every points are very important. You are getting multiple questions from these areas. First of all, data structure is divided in two ways. One is linear data structure, another is non-linear data structure. So many times question came from here. What are the linear data structure? What are the non-linear data structure? Okay. So linear data structures are static data structure and dynamic data structure. And non-linears are tree graph. Now, why we add, how I will divide which is linear, which is non-linear? What is the main difference when we are telling it's linear and non-linear? I am coming here. You just see the little bit more difference here. Linear data structure is also divided into two parts. One is static, another is dynamic. How and why I will tell you. Static is array, and dynamic data structure is queue, stack, linked list. And non-linear, as I told, tree and graph. So it is very important. You can make this chart in your paper, means in your notebook. And not only this chart, what you will do here, whatever definition and examples we will learn. And ma'am, you gave an example of primitive and not. I am coming. Each and everything's one by one. We will do that. I'm coming to everything. So static data structure and dynamic data structure. Whenever these are the things you are learning how to prepare your chart, you remember that. Here only you will learn the definition. You will write. Here only write down the definition. Okay. Here here also you can write in a single small way, so that your notes will be concrete. Don't try to utilize, okay, this is tree, this is the chart I am writing here. In the next page I am writing definition. No. In a single page only, draw this tree, draw this chart, and there only write down the definition in a small way as per your understanding. Your notes will be concrete. Got my point? So now see here, linear and non-linear. Why I am telling linear and non-linear. Linear and non-linear is that linear data structure is which data elements are arranged sequentially or linearly. Like in array, whenever I am telling array, we are arranging like this way, right? So one by one we are arranging. That is sequentially. This is sequential. That's why it is called linear. Arranged sequentially or linearly, where each element is attached to its previous and the next adjacent element. Now it is, these are stack, queue, linked list, these all. Now static. data structure. Why I am telling ki this is static and this is dynamic? Static means it is fixed memory size. At the time of doing array, at the time of allocating array, we need to fix the array size, right? We are fixing. At the time of writing programming, we are writing A5, like that means we are fixing it. And what type of array, that is also we are fixing, like integer type of array. So that's why it is static, fixed memory size, and it is easier to access the element in the static data structure. But dynamic data structure size is not fixed. It can be randomly update. Like whenever you are using stack, maybe now I am placing something, after that I will place more. That is possible. In the queue also, maybe I am placing something, later also I can place something. In the array also I can place, but I can extend it. So that's why here updating at the time of declaring stack or queue, we are not maintaining the size. Are we maintaining any size? Ki this is the size. We are not mentioning. Are we mentioning that? Yes, you can mention definitely at the time of mention. We are size that yes, this is the capacity of the array, this is the capacity of the stack. But later also we can extend, right? So efficient memory space. Example data structure is stack queue. These are the dynamic and specially dynamic stack queue. Little bit you will be confused about that, because stack queue also there is a binding that I am allocating the stack, means here also I am telling that the stack capacity is this and queue capacity is that. But when we are making the linked list, then linked list is actually a very good example, as you can see here in dynamic. Whenever we are putting, then in the dynamic data structure, linked list is the very popular example, because linked list is always dynamic. At the time of making linked list, we are not at all telling that okay, this is that this many items I am going to store. Maybe I don't know, and I don't know about storage also, where I am going to store. At the time of linked list, I will create one by one node as per my requirement, and we are linking these nodes. It is not required sequential also. And what is the main difference? The array, if I am maintaining, then if it is a 2000 location, next location must be 2002. If it is an integer, next location must be 2004. But at the time of linked list, if this location is 2000, maybe this location is 6000. Maybe next location can be 10,000 also. That is possible, because wherever I am getting space, I am creating a node, then I am linking it. So this, that's why the linked list is dynamic one, and as per our requirement we are creating one by one node and just we are linking them. It's not required anything sequential. It's not required to think that how many data I am going to store. As per my requirement I will add and I will make it link. That's why linked list is the most preferable example for your dynamic data structure, right? Yes, got it. So here non-linear, under the non-linear data structure, which is not sequential actually. So these are, till now you see that these are all sequentially. Although it is linked list, it is dynamic, but still we have to access sequentially. Maybe I am storing in different area, but it is not like that. Without sequentially you can access linked list, always one then next then next. That's why it is sequential, although it is dynamic but sequential. Here non-linear is not sequentially, not placed sequentially or linearly, and called the non-linear data structure. Okay, So example of nonlinear data structures are trees and graphs. Why? Because at the time of drawing tree, how we are making the tree? We are making tree like this. Is it sequential? Is it like that one by one you are doing it? No. Here it is not like this way. It is rather than that this way we are making. Right? If I am making a graph, this is a graph. It is also not sequential. I am not doing one by one. Graph can be anything. Anything like maybe here it is something, after that here, then here. Anything like this also we can make. Any types of graphs are possible. It's not mandatory that it should be sequential always. That's why the graph and trees are non-linear data structure. I hope it is clear. From here questions are coming actually. So these are the needs of data structure. As you can see the needs of data structure. And now we are coming to the array, which is the most important data structure, where concept is very, very important. Where concept is very, very important. Acha, primitive and non-primitive data structure, not Arpita. You was asking about primitive and non-primitive. Primitive and non-primitive, that is data type. Okay. So it is not data structure actually. The data type list, you see that I am telling you. This is coming under data type. It is not data structure. Okay. So primitive and non-primitive data type we will do. As I told that I will add the programming also with this, so that whatever concept like we are learning array and data structure and data type, so that we will add the data type also here. So as you ask me, I am writing here only. So that will be a good things for you. Uh, or it will be better. As I will do one thing. Tomorrow when I will add the programming with that, the data type and all it is there in that PDF. We will do that. But it is not actually data structure. It is actually data type, because at the if I am trying to write here, it will take more time. Primitive main difference is that primitive always has the value, whereas non-primitive can be null. Okay, so we will learn that, don't worry. We will learn at the time of programming. I will merge data structure algorithm with programming, and that will be good learning, I think. So now I am moving to this array. So array is a linear data structure, as just now we told. Now how to store the array and how we are utilizing the array. This is the storing purpose of array, right? How we are making. At the time of array, the indexing is very important. Mainly the memory we don't know in which memory location we are storing. And from the arrays, so many question, array concept is most important concept. So here index is a big important thing at the time of array, where it is starting with 0. Array is always start with 0. If I am doing A5, then array will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is most important. This is the indexing. And directly we can access the array. Like directly if I am writing A3, then I can access this D, because this is the third one. directly I can access it. This is array, right? And when we are, these are the characteristics of array. I'm not going in theories. Please learn these theories. Uh, Means all that, just only important point I will tell you. Rather than that, remaining theories you can do by yourself. I hope so. Right? So an array also implement the data structure like stack, queue, heap, hash table. Means the basic data structure is array. Through the array, we are utilizing this. We are giving the name different because stack, queue, heap, hash, these all the different way of access. But main thing behind this data structure is array only. That sometimes questions are coming from here also, that which data structure you are using for this. These all are actually array, right? So the search process in array can be done very easily here. Next one, the operations of array: initialization, accessing element, searching element, and the sorting element. For this purpose, we are using array. And here, insert, update, traversal, everything we need to learn. Here, these are the different types of applications of array is there where we are using. Just one time you can go through these theories and real life application of array like mathematical computation, image processing, everywhere we are using this. Here now the next one is linked list. The difference between array and linked list just now I told you. Array means it is always sequentially one by one. If it is 2000, then next one is 2002. But linked list, one is 2000. Here I create a node, another can be 6000 also. That is the main difference. And here at the time of accessing, directly I can access with the index. But in linked list, directly I cannot access. Here we are storing the next location. At the time of linked list, actually what is going on? This one is the node value. The structure of a linked list is that it is the node value, and here we are storing the value of the address of the next location. That is the next pointer. So here we have to understand the concept of pointer, because if you are learning linked list only but you don't know pointer, then there is no meaning. That's why we need to merge these all concept together. Array I am learning means we will do the practice of programming of array, different types, so that you can make it, and where actually most of the questions are coming. And when I have to go for linked list, then we have to learn the pointer also, which is related, because pointer if I don't know, then there is no meaning. So that's why I have to know pointer, so that I can relate the linked list. Pointer is what? Pointer is actually holding the address of another location. So it is pointer. This is holding the address of another point, another location. That's why here pointer concept is required. Here you see that singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and doubly circular linked list. These are the different types of linked lists are there. Now here this is just like that. This is for your basic concept. You can see when I am using the linked list, this is the data and this is the next, as I told you, node value. And at the last we are telling it's null, because null will tell you the linked list end here. But at next, if I am trying to add more node, then I can add it. I will just connect, I will just make it null, I will just connect it with this one. Means I will update this with this new address, then I will make this one null. That is the beauty of the linked list. Anytime I want to add more, I can add. But in array it is not possible. When you already assign that key array size is 10, already 10 element you put there, more element you can't. It is not possible. But in linked list it is possible, because linked list is not fixed size, it is dynamic. Anytime I can add more just by updating this last one, right? So this is a beauty of linked list. Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Is there any black screen? Just confirm once. Is there any black screen? Black screen, right? Ah, yeah. Just wait. Let me refresh one. Rejoin once. Now I think I am audible. Now I think I am audible. Rejoin once. I think I am audible now. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes, I was. Linear, non-linear data structure, linked list, array. Yeah, I was coming here. Yes. So you understand the basic difference, linked list, what we are doing here in linked list. So here this is the characteristics, as you can see the characteristics of linked list. The linked list use extra memory to store the link, because here in we have to store the extra address. That's why it is taking that extra space. During initialization of linked list, no need to know the size of the element. For array it is required, but for linked list it is not required. Linked list used to implement the stack, queue, and graph. Here, stack and queue you can implement through array also. When you are implementing through array, then you have to make a fixed size, and it is like array implementation. Linked list implementation is also possible because it is audible. Just rejoin once. Everything is clear, right? Hmm. Rejoin, please. Just wait. Let them join little bit. Is it okay now? Jayashree, Padma, is it okay now? Yeah. Hmm. Yes. So first node of the linked list is called the head. These are the basic we will learn whenever we will learn in detail. Then we will see that head, null, everything. Now, whenever you are going to the, and I will suggest you go through the PDF. Today, your task will be go through the PDF definitely. That is most important because the basic theories are very very important whenever you are searching, traversing, how the searching and traversing is going on. If you are learning the theories properly, then only whenever we are coming to practical, and that will be easy for you. That's why I provided this theory. It is for your learning. I will read each and everything for you. It is not like that. You will read it, and at the time of implementation it will be easy for you. Okay, this is your task. Definitely you have to go through the PDF and you have to learn it properly. So real life application, when we are doing like linked list, use the round robin scheduling to keep track the turn of a multiplayer game. Maybe application based question can come from here. How we are using round, actually they are making round robin is there in operating system. So they will make together, they will ask together the question. So it is useful there. And use for the image viewer, the previous next use. We are using like previous next always. Whenever you are opening a image, then you are checking previous next, previous next. This is actually the implementation of linked list. Even also in browser also there are two button, previous, next. Everywhere we are using it. How it is possible? This is possible through linked list, and it is actually the doubly linked list. Here you are, you want to go for next, then this is the pointer. You want to go for previous, then this is the pointer. That is actual implementation, real life implementation. You need to understand, you need to relate the data structure. Okay, hence increase the previous and next button. In the music playlist also, song like a linked list and previous next songs are there. These all are the utilization of linked list. Without linked list, it is not possible. Okay, real life question they are asking nowadays. This is a pattern, so that's why you need to relate with this. Now stack, whenever you are using stack, stack is using with LIFO, last in first out. That is the basic thing of LIFO stack. Whenever you are using the stack, I am going to input, I am going to enter the data one by one, like this way. Whenever I am taking out, I have to take it like from here only. Always stack is doing with the top. What is my top? From top only I have to take it out, and from the in the top only I can put it. That's why LIFO, last in first out, stack is always maintaining that. And very very important, so many times question came from here, the stack like reversing stack using the recursion. Recursion is a very important part of your syllabus. From here always questions are coming, and the stack data structure is a very important data structure which is using to store the local variable and using for the purpose of recursion. Must note it down in your notebook. Today's class, the theories I am telling you, but it is a 100% confirm area where I am marking and must write it down. Multiple time question came from here. Recursion related to stack, local variable we are storing in stack. So stack is a very useful data structure for programming and for computer also. Computer memory also have a stack. That stack it is using for local variable. Okay. So write down these two things. Local variable we are using in stack and recursion is useful using stack. We will learn the implementation. Okay. Next one is that whenever you are doing it, you can see that this is push and this is pop operation. Always it will be from the top. That's why it is LIFO. As we are going to put one by one, it is in the order A, B, C. So at the time of insertion, we are doing in this order, but at the time of takeout, it will be in this order, opposite order. That's why it is LIFO, last in, first out, right? But whenever we are coming to Q, here is the characteristics of the stack used in different algorithm like tower of Hanway, tree traversal, recursion. Very very important questions are coming from here. Stack implementation through linked list is also possible like that. And here next one, insertion deletion, how to do, we will do that with the programming we will do here. These are the application of the stacks like evaluation, data structure, and even also here reversing a string. That is also useful whenever we are reversing a string. Stack used for memory management and processing function call, because one by one function whenever you are calling that also recur stack. Interrupt, in the computer architecture you will see the interrupt and from where sequence questions are coming. At the time of interrupt handling also it is using stack. From where I am getting interrupt, I have to put my current location into the stack. I have to go there, then I have to come back, I have to pop it out. That's why stack is a very important data structure. Everywhere we are using stack, each and everywhere. That's why the application of stack, mostly repeated questions are coming from the application of the stack. That's why must write down the application. Even also infix, postfix, prefix, this notation at the time of postfix, there also we are using stack. Postfix or reverse polish notation, another name is that reverse polish notation. This is also the application of stack. Okay, write down these things. I am telling you like a story, but it is very important. You will see so many questions there. There also we are using here stack. Take it. Now the stack used to convert the, just now I told you, infix to postfix. Infix operation is given. You have to convert in postfix. That is another name is reverse polish. We are using here. Even also the stack perform the undo and redo also. We are very very useful to do undo and redo, right? I think I did anything, I have to do undo, I have to do redo. That is also the use of stack, because you put it in the stack and you are taking it out. That means it is undo and redo. Stack used for virtual machine. Main difference between postfix and reverse polish, same. There is no difference. Reverse polish means postfix. It is another name. There is no difference. There is no difference. Same. Just only another name. You have two name. It is also two name is there. Okay. Hmm. Sudha. Sudarshan. Acha. Sudha not Sudarshan. Okay. Sudarshan. Got it? Postfix means actually reverse polish. So the stack use the media player, useful to play the next and the previous song. Here stack used for recursion purpose. These all are the very very important. Here you are getting lots of question. Please note it down. Here these are the operation push and pop. We will do in detail, but today you will go for it. That is peak operation is empty, size. These are the basic operation of the stack, and these are the real life application where we are using stack. You need to like introduce each and every data structure. Now it is queue. Queue is using FIFO, first in first out. First in first out is, this is my queue. I am going to insert like A, B, C, D. I am going to take out also in that order only. When I am inserting A, B, C, D, then I will take out also in the same order A, B, C, D. That's why it is FIFO. In stack, it is opposite. But in queue, it is in direct order. A, B, C, D means A, B, C, D only. That's why queue is FIFO. Okay. Here these are the, this is your queue. You can see queue we are telling NQ and DQ operation. In stack we are telling two operation, that is push and pop. These are the two basic operation. But in queue we are telling NQ. NQ means from here we are going to insert, and DQ means from here we are going to extract. That means DQ. And insert means NQ will be from always back or tail or rear. This is the name. Back, tail or rear. From this end we have to NQ. Just like that, whenever you are going to a line, right, you are anywhere, you are going for movie ticket or railway station, or you are traveling anywhere, then everywhere we are maintaining queue. One by one from the last you are entering, and who came first, they are getting chance. That is a NQ. So here you are getting the DQ. This is a real life example, and the names are very important. Most of the time, the basic things also students are doing mistake. So NQ, DQ is the basic operation of your queue, and stack, that is push and pop. So these are the characteristics of queue. And application. Queue handling the website traffic, mostly operating system. In the operating system, all the scheduling algorithm, different types of scheduling algorithm is there. Who will come first come first serve, dick scheduling algorithm, FIFO, page replacement algorithm. Everywhere this is actually queue, right? Who is coming first, that is getting chance. That is the application. And web traffic, website also, one by one so many requests are coming. How it is handling? It is handling through the queue. Maintain the playlist in media player. And here queue used in the operating system handling interrupt also, because one by one whenever the interrupt is coming, which interrupt is the high priority interrupt, low priority interrupt, that is also maintained in the queue. Okay, it helps for serving requests for a single shared resource like printer, CPU tasks, everything. So many requests coming. Now one by one I can serve the request. That is required queue only. Asynchronous transfer data, pipe, file, input output, socket, everywhere queue is useful. So these applications are very important. Must write down the application. You are getting question from application. Nowadays question pattern is not like that. Data structure means data structure question. They will merge all the concept, data structure, computer architecture, networking, DBMS, everything will merge together, and they will ask a question. That's why it's very important from beginning only, learn like mind mapping of each and every subject. Don't separate this subject, that subject. Wherever it is required mind mapping, I will also combine the subject. Topic will be as per folder wise, but the sequence of the class will be like a mind mapping. That we will do so that you can relate it. As I told that is data structure, these are the topic we will learn. I will create a programming folder where we will do the related programming also. Okay, so that you can follow it properly. Okay, at the time of accessing the content you have to go to that folder and you have to access, but sequence of the class day by day, that will be like this. Is it okay for you? Yes. Or for the data structure programming, I think if I am adding in a same folder, that will be more useful. Rather than programming, I will not separate, but I will make it as a DS ALGO programming together, the folder name. In that folder only DS ALGO and programming all together will be there one by one, so that it will be easy for access also, and we can make a mind mapping also. Okay, so queue is also for the job scheduling in operating system, social media upload. These applications are there for queue. Here NQ and DQ operation must go through this NQ and DQ operation, which is most important. Pick, empty, size. We will do in detail of this. And here is the remaining. I will use that board. Is so I think basic every. These are the real life application of queue, tree. Whenever you are coming to tree, then tree is a non-linear data structure which is hierarchical and non-linear. So main thing is that hierarchical and it is non-linear also. So whenever you are coming to the hierarchical and non-linear, this is binary tree. These all are the different types of trees are there. In the tree we will do in detail of the each and every data structure, but this is the tree where we are going to root labels and all. And characteristics of tree, the tree is also here today just getting stuck little bit, so that's why whenever you are facing rejoin, then just refresh once. Okay, I will take the class from the board from tomorrow onwards. I will take the class from the board so that you will not face this type of issues. Today I am taking from laptop, but from evening only I will take from the board. Okay, so that you will not face any audio issue. They ask the perfectly balanced tree. We will do that. Each and every tree, balancing tree, balanced tree, everything. So here different application of trees. These are the different application. Today just introduce each and every data structure. Insert, delete, search. This is there in the tree. Traversal, height, depth, balancing. What is the main concept? What is traversal? What is height? What is depth? What is balancing? These basic things at least revise once. And real time application of the trees, where we are using real time. The real time like life, real life data structure, decision tree, machine learning, very very important. Nowadays we are using it, machine learning, right? So, now I will try. Please rejoin those who are facing Rejoin, please. Little bit audio issue. If you are facing, then rejoin. I will take class from board so that you will not face these issues. The evening from evening onwards, I will take class from the board. Okay. So here is the graph data structure also. The graph is nonlinear data structure. I am going to end the class also. Here age and vertices. Whenever you are using graph, then this is the terminology. This is called vertices. Yeah, evening class 6 p.m. Now I will take class evening 5 a.m. also and 6 p.m. also, so that we can cover the syllabus. 5 a.m. we will do DS ALGO and programming. Everything will be merged together. 6 p.m. we will do TOC and compiler. ठीक है? This is the planning. DS ALGO programming, TOC compiler. This is the planning. We will do like that. Okay. So here age and vertices. The terminologies are very important for each and every. No, 6 p.m. I already told. 6 p.m. I already told tomorrow. Yesterday I already told that. So characteristics of graph. These are the characteristics. Here you can see different characteristics which will be followed here for the graph. So maximum distance of the graph, here we have to maintain the adjacency list also. These are the different applications of the graph. And here add vertex, add edge, remove vertex, remove edge. These applications are there. Here we will use the DFS and BFS, depth first search, but breadth first search. That application we need to do. And these are the real life application of graph. Here also questions are coming. One most real life application of graph is Google Map, different cities, social networking. It is also application of the graph. Study miscellaneous like physics and chemistry. Graph used here. Here also we are using the real life advantages of the data structure. These are the advantages of data structure. And these are the disadvantages of data structure. Improve organizing faster and design for the complex problem. These are the basic thing. Increase computation and the memory. Whenever you are trying to utilize everything properly, then you will need some time. Complexity will be there, difficulty will be there. That is very obvious. So from these references we have taken these things. So ultimately finally coming to the conclusion, till this part, till the conclusion, come to here and read it and learn it. Then after that we will go to the next. Okay. So till this one, this is till 80 pages in this PDF. Go through this PDF, learn the PDF properly, and note down all these theories part. These theories are very very important, and make a mind mapping. Don't try to write everything together. Rather than that, make a mind mapping like this. You will write here, ki, okay, this is the all point of stack. This is the point of queue. This is the point of tree. Where what are the most important point? What we are using in stack, queue, tree, and array. Before that, there was the array also. Like that, make your notes. Don't try to make your notes 80 pages are there, you are also writing in 80 pages. These 80 pages you will learn, you will understand, and try to make it within 2 to 3 pages. That is most important. All the most important point together, keep it in a same place. Only important points write down in your notebook, so that at the time of question you can relate it. Okay, today's task is that. Today before evening, because evening 6 p.m. again class will be there for another subject. So before that, go through this PDF, learn the PDF, and prepare your notes in a concrete way. Just today's main concept, whatever we will learn, that is different types of data structure. You will make a tree like this tree chart, linear and non-linear, what are coming in which type, what is called linear, what is called non-linear, what is called your static, what is dynamic. And then this is like a, this chart you will do, and another chart you will do like this comparison chart. That will be more than enough. In the comparison chart, you will write the main how we are utilizing it. You can draw the data structure also. Okay, this is array, this is linked list, and main operation. What are the operation we are using for stack and queue? Stack, push and pop, LIFO order, queue, FIFO order, NQ, DQ is there. You can write it like that. And tree, how the tree is there, and what are the application, most important, the application of this and all. Like this way must prepare your notes. Got it? Yes, all clear. 100% sure from today's class, whatever you learn, at least one to two questions though always coming from this basic area. Always one to two questions you are getting, always means two, one to two also not, I will say two to three, two to three question always coming from these basics, very basic area of data structure, but they are asking question. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Bye for now. I will try to maintain the time properly. So 5 a.m. and 6 p.m. tomorrow evening we will meet again 6 p.m. for TOC compiler, and tomorrow morning again we will continue each, and now we will go for each and every data structure like array data structure. Array data structure we will learn the programming also. Then we will go for stack data structure. With that we will do the programming. That way we will go. Then we will learn the pointer. Then I will introduce you the linked list. So pointer you will learn. With that you will introduce the linked list. That will be good. Okay. Acha, WhatsApp link. Is it okay? WhatsApp link I don't want to create now. You all are there, right? So wait for more 1 week. At least wait for 1 week. WhatsApp group I will create after 1 week to 10 days. Come live. You all are connected with me every day, morning, evening. I will come. I don't want to create very soon WhatsApp group. Some unnecessary persons are there. So let them leave. Let them end their subscription. So then I will create the WhatsApp group link. Okay, those who are the regular learner, be with me in the live class. Definitely, I will share the WhatsApp group link. Now, some people will come. Those who will come regularly, they will get WhatsApp group link. When I will share the WhatsApp group link, I will not tell you. After 1 week, definitely, but now not. Whatever queries you have, you can come to the live class. You can ask me. That will be better. So now I am not creating WhatsApp group. I will create after a few days. Okay. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you again. Evening 6 p.m. I have uploaded the PDF. You can go through the PDF. Have a good day ahead. Thank you. Thank you. You can go. PDF is uploading. You can go.